Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. This is Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. Now, I'm pretty sure that most of the financial news you're hearing out there has been quite doom and gloom. So let me change tracks today and surprise you with some positive stories. Yes, I'm talking about our overweight in the energy sector. It is the only equity sector that we are overweighting globally, and it has done pretty well this year. So let me start with the latest developments on oil. Last week, OPEC Plus surprised markets with a relatively large output cut of 2 million barrels per day starting in November, with producers arguing that the move was necessary to protect the industry and their own economies from slowing global growth. So this is the largest output cut since the pandemic started in 2020. So this cut, together with the upcoming imposition of sanctions and price caps on Russian oil exports, means that the focus is likely to remain on supply risk over the next few months. Now, the U.S. decision to signal another strategic petroleum reserve release could add to some price volatility around this, but in general, there is short-term tailwind to oil prices. From a technical standpoint, WTI oil price has broken above its 50-day moving average and key resistance at 90. The next level to reach is the 200-day moving average at 97. A revival in oil prices is, in general, positive for global energy stocks. If you look at the valuation, they are trading at 40% discount to the broader market, and they're yet to catch up to the strong earnings outperformance. Most of the oil and gas producers are very disciplined on cost and capex, and a number of them are using the strong revenues they've been getting over the past few years to pay down their debt, while some of them are making acquisitions to improve the quality of the reserves. In terms of stock prices, the S&P 500 Energy Index has been recovering from key support since the last 2 weeks of September, and they are testing important resistance zone. If the index breaks above this zone, it has potential upside for another 10% from here. So that's all from me today. As always, if you enjoyed this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.